It's my vehicle.
You need to get away from my vehicle.
6 feet.
Sir, you need to get away from my
6
vehicle.
feet. 6
Back
feet.
up from
6
my
feet.
vehicle. Back
6
up
feet.
from my
It's my vehicle.
Back-
6 feet.
No, it's not.
Hey guys, look what we have here. I believe it was a car accident. Well, yeah, duh. The highway patrol. Fuck you too. Fuck you too. And fuck him too. Fuck you and you. Why you always gotta start shit, officer? It's always a highway patrol who always gotta start shit. Calling for backup? Ah, shit. Where's your mask? He was telling him, you want him to be recording you? Exactly. It's always the highway patrol who's gotta start shit. And I bet you he called for backup over a camera. One 548 839. Get away from me. Get away from me. I don't give a fuck what you gotta say. Name and badge number. No. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. No, you're violating my 52.1, right? Man, fuck you. You're violating my 52.1 and 140.G, so you better back off.
Sir, you're fine where you're at.
Stop following me then. So.
Hi, sir. You are loaded. Ready to go.
What happened to the finger? He, the one who's in handcuffs, he was like this. Now who's in handcuffs? It's always the highway patrol who gotta be dicks. Telling him, do you want to be recorded?
He has no choice. He's a puppet.
Giving me that middle finger.
Tell him to give you the middle finger now. We'll discuss that in a second.
Can you give me that middle finger again?
Have him give you the middle finger now.
Right? This is for officer safety. Fucking dicks. As a matter of fact, one 365 I got you. I'm old enough, alright? You don't tell me what to do. Fucking dick. I'm a grown ass man. Shit, always telling people what to do.
Always giving directives.
Right.
You guys have a great night, all right?
How about you go suck a dick?
It's unfortunate you say that.
Fuck you. Freedom of speech, bitch. Did I hurt your feelings? Well, guess what? I don't give a fuck. Let me get this food that went like that. Ha ha.